Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to hide an account in QuickBooks Online quickly and easily. This is perfect for cleaning up unused accounts or keeping your financials organized. First, log into QuickBooks Online. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Next, head over to the Transactions tab on the left side of the dashboard, then click on Chart of Accounts. This is where all your company's accounts are listed and managed. Find the account you want to hide. On the right side of that account, click the drop-down arrow and select Make Inactive. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes, Make Inactive to confirm, and that's it. The account is now hidden from your active chart of accounts. If you ever need to view or reactivate hidden accounts, you can do so by enabling Include Inactive Accounts in your chart of accounts view. That's all it takes to tidy up your QuickBooks Online accounts and keep your financial data neat and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.